Hi, thanks for watching Peter's Food Adventures, and today I'm going to make an easy, no-bake Napoleon cake. Now, I know if you're a purist for the baking, freak out, don't watch this any further, but for the rest of us, we're going to do an easy recipe using bird's custard. This is easily found in the UK, Canada, Australia, Amazon in the US definitely has it. And the other thing is unsalted saltines. This is the no-bake part. You wouldn't believe it. I wouldn't believe it. My aunt's been making this since the 80s. It's just quick and easy. Let me show you how. Now it's all incorporated together. It's going to be creamy and delicious.